this video, you'll be watching behind the scenes footage from my most recent photo shoot that you guys got to plan. You'll see how I created the backdrop. I might put in like B-roll takes and possibly a few outtakes from the photos that were in the last video. So I really hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes video. So creating the backdrop for the photo shoot was super easy. All I need was magazines, tape, and I quite literally ripped the pages out of the magazines and taped them to the wall in the order that I wanted. And I repeated that process over and over. So this is day 2 of filming, and I honestly didn't think it would take this long. Here we are. Today I would be filming the B-roll for the selections of the video and seeing what other footage I'll need to gather today. So it's just like a B-roll day. That's what I was saying. So for this section of the video, I'll be sharing outtakes with you guys that you didn't get to see. They're just like behind the scenes parts of what the actual photo was. So for this base jumping shot, it literally took 1,000,000 tries. Enjoy.
1 jump. That was that good.
I can jump.
2, 1.
I'm tired.
That was better as well. Right.
See what's going on.
Like your hair while leaning on it. You don't?
This is so awkward. I'm like,
girl.
she a karate girl.
Trying to set you up. Make your leg shorter. No.
No.
Okay.
I'm struggling. Got it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to participate in more photo shoots or see more behind the scenes footage, comment below or message me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.